Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox fat gripz. These grips will be meant to be used in a gym to modify your barbells or dumbbells. In the box we have the regular one, the small ones, and the large ones. So I ordered all three of those so I could switch between my workouts. One day I may use those, another workout I may use those, third workout I probably try those, then I may go without it, just with bare bar, just to create that muscle shock. So these small ones, fat gripz ones, in the box looks like this. Use it on a barbell or dumbbell. Nothing really in the box, there is a paperwork. Just an advice how to use them, which way to position them. Okay, so that is the rubber, quite stiff one. You can press it if you really want to, but it's solid rubber. Open and close. We'll see how long it lasts. Okay. Next one's medium. And these small ones are 4.5 centimeter or 1.75 inches in diameter. Yeah, you should see. Same thing, paperwork with advice how to use them. These are fairly bigger. If I can touch my fingers on a small one, I wouldn't be able to touch them on a regular one. The inside diameter is same, just it may look like they are different. The blue ones are 5.7 centimeter in diameter or 2.25 inches. It says stop. Do not use fat gripz until you have read the instructions contained in this box. So I guess I have to read the instructions. I heard people have to start with smaller ones and move to bigger ones and then maybe try the biggest one, just to adapt the hand. Adapt the strength of a grip. Advice, documentation on how to use them. I just noticed on all of the boxes says that warning advice, and these a little bit longer, slightly longer than the blue ones and the black ones. Blue and black ones are about same in tall, same tall. So these orange ones are I forgot, it doesn't say diameter. These orange ones are 2.75 inches or 6.99 centimeter in diameter. This is how they would compare with blue ones. And here rubber is a lot stiffer. You can see it is a lot harder to pull them apart. Yeah, I can feel the pressure. And these, I suppose, these are about as flexible as easy to pull apart as blue ones, just they doesn't go as far. So it will be difficult to get them on a bar. Okay. So while new, they are completely closed, and once you rip them apart, they kind of leave a little gap in between. They doesn't come back to the fully closed. But of course, if you work out, you want to take a hand on this side, and then it should hold just right. So yeah, this is comparison with blue ones. And yeah, so if I can connect my fingers, touch my fingers around black ones, I wouldn't be able to touch fingers on a blue one. And on the orange, definitely not. It's about much bigger gap. Okay, I'll try them out if they works. I hope they should last for a long time. I heard good reviews about those. And so yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.
If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.